With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is for two events A and B. Probability of A is 0.7, probability of B is 0.5, and probability of A intersection B is 0.3. We have to find values of the following. Okay. The first part we have, first of all, we have given probability of A is 0.7, probability of B is 0.5, and probability of A intersection B is given equal to 0.3. Okay, this is what we have given. Now we have to find probability of A union B. Probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. So this becomes probability of A we have 0.7, probability of B we have 0.5, and probability of A intersection B we have 0.3. So this is 0.7 plus 0.5 is 1.2 minus 0.3. This becomes equal to 0.9. So this is the answer for the first part. Now, second part we have to find probability of A by B. Probability of A by B is equal to probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. So this becomes probability of A intersection B we have 0.3 and probability of B we have 0.5. So this is 3 by 5, which is equal to 0.6. And third part we have to find probability of A dash by B dash. Probability of A dash by B dash. Okay, this is probability of A complement by B complement, which is equal to probability of A complement intersection B complement divided by probability of B complement. Now here probability of A complement intersection B complement is total probability, that is 1 minus probability of A union B. So this becomes, and in denominator we have probability of B complement, which is 1 minus probability of B. So this is equal to 1 minus probability of A union B is 0.9 and probability of B we have 0.5. So this is 1 minus 0.5. So this becomes equal to probability of A complement by B complement is equal to, this is 0.1 divided by 0.5, which is 1 by 5 is equal to 0.2. So here the fourth part we have, this is the answer for the third part, 0.2. The fourth part we have to find probability of B dash by A dash. So in the same way, probability of B dash, that is B complement by A complement, is equal to probability of B complement intersection A complement divided by probability of A complement. Probability of B complement intersection A complement is the numerator part here, which is 0.1, and probability of A complement would be 1 minus 0.7, 1 minus probability of A. So this is 0.1 divided by 1 minus 0.7. This becomes equal to 0.1 divided by 0.3. So we get probability of B complement by A complement is equal to 1 by 3. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.